Imagine you have a file with a bunch of comments and information, and you need to extract specific strings from it. That's the problem we're tackling today. We have this text file with a list of input file names embedded in it, and want to extract just those names. It's like trying to find hidden gems in a sea of words. Tricky, right? Now, diving into the solution for our extraction quest. The first method involves using a complex but powerful sed command. By employing the command sed this current hashtag input file digit \+ p file, we are essentially telling sed to search for lines that start with hashtag input file, followed by digits and a colon, and then remove that part, leaving us with only the desired file names. It's like a magic trick, but for text manipulation. Sed is the wizard here. Continuing with our odyssey through text extraction, we have another trick up our sleeve. This time, we're exploring the command sed nes hashtag input file 09+ asterisk \1p file. This command is a bit different but equally effective. It works by matching lines that start with hashtag input file, followed by numbers in a colon, and then captures everything after that colon. It's like a textual detective uncovering hidden clues, in this case, the file names we're after. Wrapping it all up, we've journeyed through the intricacies of text extraction using sed. We've uncovered the art of pattern matching, substitution commands, and the power of regular expressions. So, if you ever find yourself lost in a maze of text, remember the magic of sed. And with that, it's time to bid adieu. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. After all, who knew text manipulation could be this fun?